First, we are one-on-one tonight with Monroe County's new district attorney. Brian Green was appointed by Governor Kathy Hochul after Sandra Doorley stepped down following an interaction with Webster police that went viral. News 10 NBC investigative reporter Jennifer Lewke went in depth with Green about how the office moves forward.
You say you're a DA?
I am the DA.
The video of Sandra Doorley berating a Webster police officer who attempted to pull her over went viral. And the Monroe County District Attorney's Office was inundated with calls, emails, messages from people furious with its leader. Doorley stepped down at the end of August. Brian Green has been appointed to calm the storm.
How do you anticipate having to move this office forward after that national, sometimes international scandal?
The office environment definitely took a little bit of a downturn. People were a little dissatisfied. I think simply the change in administration and my approach to management has gone a long way towards lightening the mood here. It's a different office now, and I have a different set of priorities, and that we're moving forward doing the right thing.
There are 90 assistant district attorneys who handle about 4,000 felony cases a year. Green is looking to hire a handful more. Of course, the big conversation in our community centers around repeat offenders and criminal justice reforms that went into effect while Brian Green was a judge in the town of Irondequoit.
As a judge, do you think that judges need more discretion when it comes to setting bail on suspects?
Well, I don't think that there's any perfect way to do this, unless you fall into one of the exceptions, is strictly to ensure someone returns to court. It's not about recidivism. It's not about public safety. It's not about the dangerousness of a person. You know, the judges are sworn to follow that principle. Well, there are two exceptions, essentially, that allow for cases that aren't bail qualifying by definition to become bail qualifying. And I think in both of those cases, the DA's office needs to make application to the judge to use those two exceptions.
Green says one of his main focuses will be ensuring his ADAs are urging judges to use those exceptions to set bail more often in cases that warrant it.
Brian Green was appointed by the governor. He'll hold this spot until at least next November, when the office is up for election. At the Monroe County District Attorney's Office, Jennifer Lewke, News 10 NBC.
Green also spoke with Jen about a recent cold case murder suspect that was released after the case built against him by the office was dismissed. Timothy Kuhn, initially charged with the murder of 8-year-old Savannah Strieber, is now a free man. You can hear what happened and why at WHEC.com.